guys, it's Liz here with another video for you. Today I'm going to show you how I did the nail art on my recent mani. This video is going to cover using a dotting tool, so stick around and we'll go ahead and get started. So I did speed up these videos a lot because there's not a whole lot to using a dotting tool. It is a quick and easy way to add a design to your nails or to fill in a design or just to add interest to a plain mani. A few things that you do want to keep in mind. To get the same size dots, you want to make sure that you're keeping the same amount of polish. So you're going to have to keep dipping into that polish each time you dot onto your nail. This one I did a little bit different dots, so I just kind of kept dotting because I liked that variety. You do want to make sure that you are cleaning your tool regularly and keeping fresh polish, and that will also help you to get the same size dots. So you don't have to go out and buy dotting tools. You can use things that you have around your house, anything with a small end, the little orange wood sticks, toothpicks, bobby pins, pencils, anything, like I said, that has that small tip. It really just depends on how big or how small of a dot that you want. But the possibilities are endless with this. You can create so many different designs with it. You can use different color combinations and really get creative with it. So that is about it for this mani. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.